Nextdoor is marketed as a neighborhood-based social app where locals can share recommendations, safety alerts, events, and community updates. But the real question is it actually useful or just another chaotic social media app? Now, to be fair, the core idea behind Nextdoor is genuinely useful. A local-focused platform for nearby recommendations, lost pets, safety alerts, and community news can be valuable in the right neighborhood. What it does well: useful for local recommendations. Many users rely on Nextdoor to find nearby plumbers, cleaners, electricians, babysitters, or local businesses. Great for neighborhood alerts. The app can be genuinely helpful for missing pets, package theft warnings, suspicious activity reports, or emergency updates. Where it falls apart: the negativity can get exhausting. This is the biggest complaint. Many users describe the app as full of arguments, paranoia, complaints, and neighborhood drama. Some neighborhoods become overly political. Local discussions can quickly spiral into divisive debates rather than practical community information. Fear-based posts are extremely common. Many users joke that the app becomes a non-stop feed of suspicious person sightings and petty complaints. So, is the Nextdoor app worth trying? Short answer: yes for local information, maybe not for your sanity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.